Have you ever wondered if there's a place where charm of the old world meets vibrance of the modern era? In places where every street has a story, every face tells a tale. Welcome to Strathmore, Alberta, a hidden gem in the heart of Canada where the unexpected awaits around every corner. Join us on a remarkable journey to uncover the secrets and stories of Strathmore in 2023. This is one adventure you don't want to miss. Once upon a time, in the heart of Alberta, Canada, lay a small town named Strathmore, known for its vast prairies and friendly locals. Strathmore was one Strathmore was more than just a dot on the map. It was a community with a big heart, embodying the true spirit of Alberta. The story begins over a century ago with the coming of the Canadian Pacific Railway. This small railway settlement quickly blossomed into a thriving town, its grain elevators standing tall against Alberta's sky, as well as it traveled throughout time in 2023. Strathmore has transformed, balancing a rustic charm with modern developments. Imagine waking up to a gentle prairie breeze and the sound of birds chirping, and the warm, welcoming sun. This is a typical morning in Strathmore, the town with its picturesque streets and friendly faces invites us to explore its many wonders. The essence of Strathmore lies in the community spirit. Each year, the town hosts the Strathmore Stampede, one of Canada's largest rodeos, attracting visitors from far and wide. The thunder of hooves and the cheer of the crowd, and the display of skills and bravery of the cowboys are a sight to behold. But what truly makes Strathmore special are its people, from the local baker who knows everyone by name to the farmers who work tirelessly to feed the nation. Each resident of Strathmore contributes to the town's unique tapestry. Their story of resilience, community, and the hope of what 2023 Strathmore has become a melting pot of culture. The town's eateries and businesses reflect the diversity of offering a taste of the global cuisine and local products, whether it's enjoying a hearty Canadian meal or exploring an artisanal crafts. Strathmore offers a blend of experience, surrounded by Alberta's natural beauty. Strathmore is a haven for nature enthusiasts. Town's parks and trails offer scenery escapes where one can hike, bike, simply enjoying the tranquil of nature. The gleaming lakes and rolling fields are a reminder of the town's deep connection with the land. Education and culture are pillars of Strathmore. The town prides itself on its educational institutions and culture activities, from art galleries showcasing local talent to historic museums. Narrating Strathmore's past, there's always something to learn and explore. As we look to the future, Strathmore is not a standing still. The town is embracing sustainable development, ensuring that its growth is in the harmony with the environment. Green spaces, community projects, and innovation initiatives are underway, making Strathmore a forward thinking community. Our story draws to a close, we leave Strathmore with a sense of admiration. This isn't just a town, it's a community with soul. A blend of history, culture, and community spirit makes Strathmore a hidden jewel in Alberta's crown. As a result, set from over the prairies, painting the skies in hues of orange and pink, we bid farewell to Strathmore, carrying with us memories of a town where the heart of Alberta truly beats. If you enjoyed this journey through Strathmore, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments. Where should we explore next? Let us know. Thank you for exploring Strathmore with us. If this story touched your heart, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tales from the hidden corners of the world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep sharing and incredible stories that surround us every day. Goodbye from Strathmore, where every sunset promises a new story for tomorrow.